disqualified siya. Okay, bakit? Sa ating rules and implementing rules and regulations, good conduct is defined as a conspicuous and satisfactory behavior, which involves active participation in a rehabilitation program, coupled with a faithful observance of the rules of the detention. And doon pa lang, hindi siya pwede mag-qualify for good conduct. Bad behavior siya because he was reported to be involved in shabu trading in the Muntinlupa. So ang premise noong good conduct time allowance is, as the rule says, conspicuous and satisfactory behavior na kasama ka sa mga rehabilitation programs at compliance with the rules of the detention center. He does not qualify there. So doon pa lang, dapat hindi na siya kasama. Dapat hindi na siya kasama na mag-avail noong good conduct time allowance. Bakit siya sinama? Kaya na-reduce yung kanyang sentence. It's wrong. And if I ask the Department of Justice...